name is Logan Paschall. I'm a dancer with Huntsville Ballet Company. I'm originally from Baltimore, Maryland. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Huntsville Ballet YouTube channel. So today, some of you might know me as Logan or King Lo or Lo. Since this is a breaking tutorial, my name will be B-Boy Lo. And for all you guys and girls out there, you're either a B-Boy or a B-Girl. B-Boy stands for break boy, B-Girl, break girl. So today you guys are breakers, okay? Today we will be working on some basic hip-hop street dance fundamentals. 3 different types of top rocks. The first one I'm going to show you is the side step. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The second one I'm going to show you guys is called the cross step. Cross and cross and cross and cross in the Indian step. Very easy tutorial today, okay? Very easy. Before we start, always make sure that you stretch, warm up, do some exercises so you can get loose and ready to dance, okay? Every dancer should have some type of stretching or warm-up routine before they perform or before they take class, because it's very important not to get injured or, that sort of thing. First thing you guys want to do is find the beat, find the rhythm of the song that is playing, whether you're at a battle, a party, some type of concert. First thing you want to do is find the beat, right? Nod your head, clap to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And the reason why it's very important to find the beat is because you want to dance to the music, right? If you're dancing off the music, or if you're in a routine and you're the only one that's off the music, it's going to mess up the whole, piece, the choreo, whatever. Everyone breathe in, breathe out. It's going to be very easy. I'm going to break it down so all of you guys can get it. Doesn't matter what age you are. All right, so boom. You're going to kick forward, step to the middle, and then shift your weight over here, all right? And then come back in. We're going to do the other way. So you're going to kick with your left, bring it back in, and then shift your weight. You see? I'm shifting my weight. That's what I mean by shifting my weight. It's from one foot to the other, okay? So, 1 and out, in, okay? So, I'm going to show you guys to the back. So this is my right leg. I'm going to kick out, bring it back in, out, in. Kick out, in, out, in. Okay? So when I do it a little bit faster, it should look like this. 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2. When I usually teach this step to little kids, they usually are afraid to shift their weight. Sometimes they might just do this. And tap, and 1, and tap, and 1, and tap, 1, and tap. But I try to teach them that they have to move somewhere, you see? You have to move your hips. Look, boom, 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 boom. Okay? So don't be afraid to move around. You also want to get this bounce. So everyone just bounce with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Hey, 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 hey. The whole time I'm bouncing, right? With my torso. Everyone just bounce. Hey, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The reason why I have you bouncing is because every time I kick, you see my upper body is bouncing. You have to have that bounce. You have to stay grounded, okay? Always make sure you're bending your legs. If you're keeping your legs straight, it's not gonna look right. Always have that bounce and use your plie, bend your legs, okay? So, whoa. Okay, no. Once you get comfortable with just stepping in and out, right? You can start adding a hop to it. So what I mean by a hop is just doing this. So 1, good, 1, 1, 1. It's just a little hop. It doesn't have to be a, nah. So a really small hop. So you go hop, in, out, in. See, like the whole time, I'm on one leg, you see? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So before you do the hops, just do 1 and step, 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 1 and step. And then once you get more comfortable, you can add it with the hops. 1 and out and 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1. And you can literally do this move anywhere. You can do this walking down the street. Whoa, hey. You can do this in the kitchen, cooking up some food. Okay? You can do this anywhere. You don't really need all you need is a box, okay? A box of space. All right? So I want you guys to imagine that you have your own personal box, okay? So if I draw like a little imaginary square around me, right? I want to imagine that this is my front, okay? This is my back, this is my left side, and then this is my right side, okay? So front, back, my side, and my side. You also have angles, right? You have corners. The corners of your box. I have 4 corners, right? So I have my front left corner, this is my left hand. I have my front left corner, my front right corner, my back left corner, and my back right corner. So the reason why I have you guys drawing or imagining your own box is because you can change where your feet land after I kick, right? I can go, you see? I can go back. I can go diagonal. I can switch it up. I can turn. You see? Boom. Boom. So a little drill. I'm going to count you in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, inside. Out, inside. Out, and back. Out, and back. Out, inside. Out, inside, out, in, out, in. You see, so I'm going different directions. The next thing we're going to learn is called the cross step, okay? So make sure your legs are hip width apart. The first step, when you step, I'm going to go to the right. So we're going to cross. Okay, so notice my front foot is turned out to the corner, okay? But my torso is still sort of facing front, all right? And also, extend your arms out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a little bit faster, it looks like this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how I'm swinging my arms. I'm swinging, swing. And also I'm crossing my legs. Step, and step, and step. And also notice, look, when I cross, my torso is sort of at a diagonal, but it's still facing front. Okay, so if I'm facing you, like say I'm battling you, right? I'm gonna be looking straight in your eyes, at your soul. I'm gonna be like this. Hey, 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 hey. And you can also change your arms. Ho, 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 okay? I want you guys to focus on the feet first. So you're gonna step, and step, and step, and step. And I'm always bouncing. You can keep it simple, look. Hey, 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 hey. All right, so look. So always keep that bounce, okay? Let's count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6. We're gonna talk the step. 5, 6. Step up. Step up. Step up. Okay? Cross your legs. Cross your legs. Cross legs. Cross. Okay? I'm gonna do a little bit faster. Another variation that you can do with the cross step is this. Step. Hop with it. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Okay, so the third step is the Indian step. So similar to the side step, now we're going to be crossing. Your legs are going to be twisting. My torso, my hips are all twisting in this motion, okay? Kick, step, twist. Now look, when I twist, my knees and my hips are facing the side, but I still sort of keep my torso to the front, okay? Because if you don't keep your torso to the front, it's gonna look like this. You see? So the reason why I asked you guys to twist, look, using my torso. So look, twist, okay? So when I twist, my torso is facing to the front, but my knees and my feet are facing to the side, okay? So look, you're gonna kick, step, twist, step. When I step back in, my left leg is bending so it can get ready to go to the other side. So look, notice, watch this. Kick, step, twist, step. Okay? Always bend your leg when you come back in. This is like the reset. This is the neutral position, okay? So neutral. So I'm going from neutral, step, cross, neutral. Kick, step, cross, neutral. Kick, step, cross, neutral. Kick, step, cross, neutral, okay? I'm calling this the neutral position because this is where it starts from, okay? Every time I'm kicking, I hop. So look, everyone just do this. So if I'm going from this, hop, 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 okay? So every time I kick, I hop, okay? Hop, step, cross, step. 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 Hop, step. Okay? This is going side to side, side to side. So also, you can also use your arms with this. Okay? That's a little bit quicker, but focus on having it and learning it slow first. So again, slow, kick, out. Every time I'm hopping. You see? Hop, 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 hop. It's way easier to do it faster because all you have to do is to fall on that front foot. Okay? Again, I'm going to show you guys with music, slow and then fast, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. can add little variations to it. So look, so you can add a twist to it. So, and twist, and twist, and twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. Okay? You can also add turns. Whoa, 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 hey, woo, woo, woo. All right? Okay, so now I got a combo for you guys, all right? Consisting of all the things I just taught you, okay? So we're gonna do 4 side steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna do 4 cross steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna do 4 Indian steps. I wanna go to my right first. 2, 3, 4. And then the next thing, 8 counts of you guys freestyling. Freestyling is the time that you can express yourselves, whether you're at a party, event, battle, whatever. Freestyling is all you, okay? But also stay on the music. It's very important to stay on the music, okay? Gotcha. All right. Then at the end, for another 8 count, you can freestyle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys for tuning in today. My name is Logan Paschall, aka B-Boy Lo, King Lo, whatever you want to call me. Make sure you guys check the description below. That's where I'll explain even further all the terminology, all the names of the top rocks, that sort of thing. We're going to be sending you guys more videos soon. But yeah, this is day 1. So thank you guys for dancing with me. Also, hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy. 2020 has been crazy so far, but I hope you guys are dancing and still trying to keep a positive mindset, and also always keep going, okay? Always keep going. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace out.